Hey, are you going to the exam?
Thanks for the exam.
Okay, give me the hall ticket. Okay. Okay, take it. Did you bring any phone?
No.
Okay, I have this metal detector. Now let me check. Hey, what is this? Did you bring phone?
Sorry.
Give it. You bought phone? Okay, now go to the exam.
Sorry.
See, with this metal detector, I can detect phones. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to demonstrate a really interesting project which is metal detector. Metal detector is a device used to detect metals. Metal detectors are used by archaeologists and treasure hunters to locate jewelry, coins, gold, artifacts, etc. buried beneath the surface. Today, I am going to make a prototype of metal detector. So let's start. The components which I have used in this project are a switch, a potentiometer, 2-pin screw terminal, a buzzer, one or two PF and 22 PF capacitors, 1K resistor, BC547 transistors, a battery, a PCB board and a copper coil. Now let me show you the connections. First I am keeping the switch and next the potentiometer. I am keeping the 2-pin screw terminal, BC547 transistors, .5 volt buzzer, 22 PF capacitor and now 1 or 2 PF capacitor. Now I am keeping the 1K resistor. Now the copper coil. This is the 20 terminal. This is 0 terminal and this is again 20 terminal. So these are the connections and now I'll do the soldering and I'll connect the battery also. So I have did the soldering and I have connected it to the battery and I have attached it to the sunboard. So this is the battery and this is the PCB and I have attached already and this is the coil. Now let's test it with few objects. So this is a wooden pencil. Let's see whether it detects. No, it didn't detect. Now next is the metal wrench. See, it has detected and it's giving a buzzer sound. And next is the coins. See, it's also detected. And this is a plastic gun. Let's check whether it detects. No, it did not detect. Next is the gold bangles. See, it's also detected. Next one is the mobile phone. See, it is also detected. So the working principle of this metal detector is when this metal detector comes close to a metal object, it disturbs the magnetic field around it. the disturbance alters the resonance frequency of the oscillator circuit, and as a result the oscillator produces a varying signal which is detected by the transistors, which is amplified and sent to the buzzer so that audible sound could be heard to indicate the presence of a metal. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. You guys also can make this metal detector. I'll come up with a new video soon. Thank you.